Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have issue 11 of Build Your Own Disney's Doll's House by Hachette Partworks. Okay, so we're kicking off our Disney Doll's House week with issue 11. So as I said at the end of last week, we are having a Disney Doll's House video every day in the afternoon this week. So we'll have a video in the morning and then a Disney Doll's House in the afternoon. So issue 11 is what we're starting off with. So yeah, let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing. Okay, so issue 11. So these are the parts we get here. As you see, we get some accessories in there. We get the Mickey Mouse table and the cushion for the Mickey Mouse chair. And we're just going to be making another one of these border parts that go at the bottom of the wall like we did last time in issue 10. So we're going to be making another one of them. So yeah, as you can see, just like last time, really quick and easy issue this one. So all we're doing is we're making that, we're connecting all them together. Ask you to put wood glue on this part here, which I didn't do last time. I just used normal super glue. But yeah, for the end parts, it wants us to have super glue on the ends, and then wood glue, sorry, and then like all-purpose glue to glue these parts in the center here. So yeah, that's all we're going to do. Put the two ends on, making sure we get them on the right way. Put the three center parts in, and we should have something that looks a little like that. So as you can see, there's not too much to do in this one. We're just doing the little border part, the little wooden bottom, the lower part of the wall. We're just doing that today. So yeah, quick and easy video. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. So starting off with the accessories, we have the table for the Mickey Mouse room. There you go. That's that one. And we have a little cushion. So this little cushion will sit inside Mickey Mouse's chair, just like that. So yeah, really nice, quick and easy accessories to review that one. So yeah, just a little table and a cushion. So this is the part we need to start off with, which has got the number 3 in the center. So we work on this side here. As you can see, it is angled at one side there, and it's angled on this side here. So we want to make sure we keep this angle when we're putting these on here. So we don't want to put them on that way because the angle is the wrong way. So this one would go at the top. No, it wouldn't. It'd go at the bottom, just here, like that. So we keep that angle down there. So because that one goes at the top, this one must go here, like that. And then these three can go anywhere. So it wants us to use wood glue to stick these down. So that's what I'm going to do. Did use super glue the last time, but we can use wood glue like it asks us to. I did with the last one, and it's solid, so you could, if you wanted to, just use super glue. Right, let's get these on. So we need to make sure we get these the right way. So this one is going down the bottom here. I suppose the good thing about using the wood glue is it gives me the time to line it all up. I can clean it up afterwards as well. So let's get this one on. You can see a little bit of the glue seeping out, so we can clean that up with one of these. Sure that's all lined up. That's that part done. Now we're just going to use some all-purpose glue. So I'm bringing in my little trough that I've made. I'm just going to mix this all-purpose glue all the way around to these edges here. So that's 1, 2. So we're going to do this 3 times. So I'll show you the first one, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and put the other 2 on as well. This is the first one. Oh, I forgot they're not dry yet. Yeah, let's put these in. Push them in. That's the first one. Let's get the second one on. Go in the center, Last one now. It's going to go in the end, just there, just like that. So now make sure everything is in its place where it wants to be, so we can leave that to dry until the next issue. So you are, guys, that is issue 11 all complete, and yeah, join me again tomorrow when we're doing issue 12. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.